impossible to open. If I break a nail,
let me open it.
I'm gonna sue somebody here.
Let me open it for you. Let me open it for you.
Really though? How am I supposed to open this? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we all know it's that time of the month. It is Boxycharm month. Boxycharm month? Boxycharm time! We are gonna go through the Boxycharm at the end, calculate how much it's worth, and whether it's worth it or not. There's two products I can't use in here today on camera, but I will eventually try them and I can let you know if I like them. But the other products I will be using. The very first product we got in the box is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate, Glow Moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. This is a moisturizer that is $70. 70 US dollars. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. So this has lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. So this is going to improve pores and texture while hydrating and smoothing for dewy skin, refreshed looking skin. I think I need this. Yeah, it's pretty big, so I'm really excited to try this. Clean Skin Club Clean Slate Clearing Mist. So that is what this is. This powerful yet lightweight formula effectively reduces acne and breakouts without drying the skin. Mist onto clean skin after cleansing and before serum. This retails for 38 US dollars. I actually, if I'm not mistaken, had heard that this was really good. So I'm actually really excited to try this. I got two really good skin products and I really wish I could show you how to use them and tell you that they're really good, but I don't know. But I did hear really good things about this one, so I'm so excited. Also, my hair is really frizzy. We just had the hugest storm because it's been ultra humidity for like a week and a half. So if it starts storming in the background, just ignore it. But anyway, the next product I have is Give Them Lala Beauty, the Grown Woman Palette. Say hello to a gorgeous eye palette full of earthy sunset colored mattes and foiled shadows. Includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery, soft, and silky to the touch. These perfectly blendable shadows effortlessly glide across the eyelid for long-lasting, jaw-dropping looks every time. So this retails for 42 US dollars. Okay, so let's open her up. So all I have on my face right now, I will be totally honest, is some foundation. I did get a spray tan because I have to go to a wedding, so that is why I look so dark. My dress will not look good without it. But anyway, so I have foundation, my eyebrows are on, I have a little bit of mascara left over from earlier, and I have concealer on the lids to use as primer. So this is the packaging. It's nice because it has like a little light marble stitch, but I wouldn't have been mad if they carried the marble up to the top and all the way around the back, but really that's just being picky, so whatever. Ooh, look at these shades. Look at these shades. These are nice. I definitely need to try one of these foil shadows and these mattes. This to me is kind of fall-ish, which is a perfect timing for this. So let's get started. Let's just jump on in and do it. Stepmom right here. That's what I'm gonna start with. So I'm just going to apply that into the crease. Okay, this one you can't really see too much because it is really light, but we're just gonna make it consistent on the other side so we get the same look. Now we're gonna go into the shade The Wife, which is the second shade in the palette. Well, that's pretty. That's a nice shade. It's very like neutral. It's a nice like transition shade. Blends out nicely. Okay. I like it. So far, so good. Haven't gotten an eyeshadow palette since like the Natasha Denona, which I really liked. So I have high expectations. Honestly, most of the Boxycharms, you get like pretty good stuff. Let's go into a darker shade and see how pigmented it is. So this Bridal Party shade right here is really calling me. So I'm just gonna go directly into that and start packing that into the outer corner. So it's not like the most pigmented palette on the planet. I'm not gonna lie to you. You guys know I'm not a liar. I won't lie to you, but it's working. We're getting color from it. Like it's a nice brown. Like this is actually like so accurate to call it like Bridal Party. But like the thing that's like upsetting about it, if you look at it, this like packed, beautiful, like rich kind of brown. I didn't get the richness, but it is a beautiful color. Like even as light as it's going on, it is a beautiful shade. We're just gonna keep blending that nicely. I really like this shade. Like this is pretty. I want to try one of these foil shades. I want to make sure they're actually foiled. This one is really calling me, but it doesn't really match with what I have going on here. So I'm going to go with this shade here called I Do. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. I Do on my ring finger. So cute. That goes on nicely. You get a little bit of pigment from that. I mean, it's not super foily. Like I'm thinking it's going to be like creamier and like really vibrant. It is not that. But it does give you a little bit of shimmer if that's what you're looking for. I'm just gonna add a little more because you know I'm all about the like shimmers. But I do like the shade. Like the shade is like a nice bronzy, like not too gold bronze. So we're just gonna make sure that's on the whole lid. We're gonna grab our blending brush and just make sure it's nice and blended out. Okay, these colors are actually adorable together and I'm happy with them. There's definitely better palettes for cheaper than this palette. Better quality, better pigment, like definitely you can do better. The next thing we have in here is the Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. So this is it. With a natural matte finish, you can fake a just stepped off the beach bronze look all year round. Available in 6 flattering shades to suit all skin tones. See, I like that. I like when they offer a lot of different shades. Price is $35 US. Hey, this is big. Look how nice this packaging is too. This reminds me of like the Makeup Revolution kind of packaging, like the concealers. I love that. Look how big this bronzer is. This is a big one. And look how beautiful that shade is. Like, that's a nice shade. Wow. Thank you. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. I barely dipped it in there. Oh! Czmakeup Black. I don't know, Play Pot. It says, Play Pots are cream pigments that can be used on the eyes, lips, and cheeks. This retails for $21.50 US. So this is the shade Gold. I don't like this shade. No. No. So I'm going to put on a little bit of blush because I'm feeling like it's a too bronzy plus this yellowy situation. Don't love it. I mean, it looks nice from far away. Like, it settles nice into the skin, but it's too sparkly for my liking. Like, I don't like a highlighter with like a sparkle sticking on it. So we're going to go into our Milani Tea Rose Powder Blush. This is the one I got. I'm just going to go into like a little blush brush and give me some color because this is kind of traumatizing. So I'm just going to apply a little bit more mascara just to make this eye look pop a little bit. So I'm going to use Sky High in black. Okay, I'm kind of digging this look. Like, very natural. It's cute. I'm going to be honest though. The only thing I would say is worth it in this box would be probably the 2 skincare products and the bronzer. And the palette's not horrible. Like I said, there's just better. But we are still going to add everything up and see if it is worth it. The Kate Somerville Moisturizer plus the Iconic London Bronzer for $35. We have the Clean Skin Club Mist for $38. Give them Lala Beauty the palette, which is $42, plus the Play Pot, which was $21.50. That is a lot. Even though there was a couple of products I didn't love, it's still worth it to me, this box. I've been really lucky with 90% of the products in all my boxes so far. I have a couple I don't like, or really just one in this box that I'm kind of like, never again. But I do really like this. If you like videos like this and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you want to see. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.